Today we continue for the question regarding addition and subtraction. 5a. So for addition problem, actually these two are the two numbers. So just like if I ask you 5a to the power 6 plus 2a to the power of 7, what you can do? So that is the term of a, then we can take out the common factor, which is a to the power 6. So the first term, 5, is left, and then the second term is 2a. So here actually we are using the same way, taking out the common factor. So the common factor here is 10 to the power something. So 6 and 7, just like here, that means 10 to the power of 6. So the first part, the remaining number is 5 plus, so 3.8 times 10, right? So there are 7, 10 multiplied together, so we take out 6, therefore 1 left. Okay, so and then this one is 48 plus 5, that means 43. But remember, it's not the format for scientific notation. For scientific notation, the number should be smaller than 10. Therefore, for 4.3, we need to change it to, 43, we need to change to 4.3 times 10. So finally, these two, we need to simplify, group them together to become 10 to the power 7. So finally, the answer 4.3 times 10 to the power of 7. Let's see part B. Actually, the similar way, we're just doing subtraction this time. So for this, 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 5, so the common factor is 10 to the power 5. So this is 7.2, so 6 we take out 5, that means 1 left. 7.2 times 10 minus this time, so 4.2. So this one is 67.8. So again, it's greater than 10, so it's changed to 6.78 times 10. So again, these two group together, 10 to the power of 6. So answer. Alright, let's move on to the next example. C. Please change the first index to -7. Okay, this one we have 3 numbers, and this time we're handling the negative index. So let's think about what is the common factor that we can take out here. So you see the 1, -7, -6, and -8. So -7 is the middle one. Can we take out -7? Let's see. So let's try if we take out negative, the index 10 to the power of -7. First one left, 1.9. Second one, 1.1. Alright, so pay attention to the index. This is -6, but we have taken out -7, so how many here should be in order to add this new with -7 to get -6? So that it should be 1. 1 minus 7 is equal to -6, okay? So second one, how about this? How to fill in order to get -8 after adding -7. So let's see, second number goes to 11, the last number goes to 0.3. Seems workable. Okay, so it can be because we are simply can change this to 1.26 times 10. So finally the answer is 1.26 times 10 to the power of -6. Then you may ask, can we take out -6 or even -8? Actually the answer is yes. So maybe we try take out -6. So the first one, alright. Think about the new index here. 8, -6 will go to -7. So therefore it is -1, right? -1 plus -6 is -7, which is the original one. And then go on, 1. Okay, that's it. We take out the whole 10 parts. Then minus 3 times 10 over this one. Okay, the new one. Okay, new one minus 6 is equal to -8. So it should be -2, right? Okay, -2 minus -6 is -8. So this is -2. Okay, let's see, 0.19, 1.1, 0.03. Well, actually, we just see whether we can get the simplified number inside the bracket. If yes, actually can be the way to take out this as the common factor. Okay. Oh, and then actually, oh, this one is better because the number is already at between 1 and 10. Therefore, we no need to change further, but this one you see, we need to change further to 1.26 times 10. Then how about -7? Okay, so the first one become 1.9, second one, 1 minus 7 is -6, and this one should be -1, minus 0.3. So you see this one actually is similar to this one. We go to 12.6, alright. So actually, which index you choose, actually we can get the correct answer, alright. Your turn. Please try E25A here. This time it's easy actually because this is not a negative index, it's a positive index. Again, you try yourself and then you look out to check the answer. Okay, so the answer is 7.118 times 10 to the power 6. One of the three methods, actually this one is a bit faster. And this one we see is actually taking out the greatest one, the greatest index. So if we go back to C, we actually see this one is the better way. So let's take a look. Actually, this one is also the greatest. -6 is greater than 7, -7 greater than -8. So for this kind of question, we can remember the way is we take out the greatest index. Okay, for 10 power, taking out the greatest power of base 10. Okay, let's move on to D. If we use the standard way, we should change it to the scientific notation and then do what we have learned in this lesson. Right, take out 10 to the power 6. 7 take out 6, 1 left, that is 10. So which is 42, not yet finished. We need to change it to 4.2, finally is this. So actually for this we have another a bit faster way, because actually by our eye we can go to the number directly, which is 42,000,000,000, right? So actually this one is quite a quicker way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 to the power 7, right? Okay, so for this kind of question, we can do like this. But for decimal number, do the basic way. This one let's see the standard way. Then we change the two number to in the format of scientific notation. So this is, remember we count the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -7. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -8. Okay, remember we take out the greater index, that is this one. This 1.6 minus 4.3 times 10 to the power of -1. So which is 0.43. Okay, this is greater than 1, smaller than 10. So the number is in the format of scientific notation. 1.17. Okay, so this is the answer. Actually, you can do for 160 minus 43. Actually, you can still get the number 117. Finally, is 1.17 times 10 to the power of -7. Try B. Okay, again, try yourself. And you'll have to check the answer. Okay, for this one is simpler. We can add these two numbers together first. So they are 9, 0. That means we simply add these two numbers to go to 42. There's one more, so this is 10. Okay, so I'll stop here today, and please use the remaining time to continue your classwork on 2B, 5AB, then question 9. That's it. So I'll see you on Thursday.